Hello, and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today, we'll show you how to force customers to buy a certain collection items separately in Shopify. It's useful in a case like when you want to divide your orders between pre-order and in-stock items. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the collections condition. So first, we'll search for collections in the search bar. Then, we'll select the rule type where this condition is available, Essential 1 or Essential 2. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one. We can see that the collection condition is available in both Essential 1 and Essential 2. Since the collection condition is available in both types for this video, we will choose the Essential one, select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Collections. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. For this example, we select Block if not found alone and choose the Pre-order collection. This means if a customer adds any other product along with a product from the pre-order collection, the order will be blocked. Now we will add a proper error message for the customers like please buy pre-order collection products separately. Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because a pre-order collections product, Selling Plans Ski Wax, was added with Jersey, which is in-stock collections products. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. Now, let's remove in-stock collections products, and then check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!